In this video, let's see another numerical problem based on the concept of higher order derivatives. The problem has been asked in the CBSE board examination in some previous year and some state board examination as well. Why I have selected this problem? Because we are used to the denotion and the notation of dy by dx, d2y by dx square or y dash or f dash x, but not to something of this sort. y2 is equal to 2y y1. For this you have to refer to the overview video which says that y1 and everything is what? It is y1 means the first order derivative, y2 means the second order derivative. In case you do not know that, you cannot go about this question. So let's read the question. It says if y is equal to tan x, prove y2 is equal to 2y y1. That means you have to find out y2, you have to find out y1 and then verify for the equality. Let's write the heading as proof since it is a proof question. The question says y is equal to tan x. When my y is equal to tan x, what is my y1? Because y1 is needed. y1 means the differentiation of y with respect to x for the first time. So tan x differentiation is secant square x and that's done. But this is not complete because I also need to find out y2. y2 is the differentiation of y1 again with respect to x. So differentiation of secant square x. First let's apply the power rule, power formula. So it becomes 2 secant x raised to the power 2 minus 1, which is nothing but 1, and 1 power vanishes. But secant x also needs to be differentiated because first you took out power, then you took out secant into consideration. So secant x differentiation is secant x tan x. So in short, what you have for the result? You have 2 secant x into secant x, which is secant square x, multiplied by tan x. Right? So this is y2. Now let's move to the question. LHS of the question is y2 and y2 is what? y2 is 2 secant square x tan x, that you have found out. Now let's move to the RHS. RHS means the right hand side, that is 2y y1. Let's put the values. 2 as it is. Y is what? The question itself, it is tan x. y1. y1 is where? y1 is here. So it is secant square x. So that is 2 tan x secant square x or 2 secant square x tan x. 2 secant square tan x. That means these both are what? These both are equal. So I say that my LHS is equal to RHS and hence I have proved this question which was asked in the CBSE and PSB examinations in the previous year based on higher order derivatives.